Hi, I'm Steve Patton, president of HCM Property Management. Today we are here with our business development manager, Lenny Spangler. Lenny, thanks for joining us. Oftentimes we get questions from landlords asking, hey, do I need to really fix my house up before I rent it? Or can I just say it's as is and they can just move in and take care of stuff themselves?
Well, I normally say to some questions like that is, walk the property yourself, take a look around, and ask yourself, is this someplace that I would rent for myself? There's some standards you should keep up if you want to find a good quality tenant. So if you see that the blinds don't operate, they don't open or close. The carpet is very stained. There's lots of scuffs in the walls. Those are pretty minimal standards that you should have. You should maintain those if you want to get a good quality tenant. If you try and lease that property in its current condition and you see that that it needs some work to get maintained, you're not going to get a quality tenant, because the only type of tenant that is willing to rent the property in that condition is a tenant who's not going to care for the property themselves. If there's no pride of ownership, the tenant feels like, well, why should I take care of the property? The owner's not taking care of the property. So you'll probably get that property back in worse condition than when you gave it to them. So it makes sense to give them something that's habitable, maintained. It doesn't have to be brand new, remodeled, but everything should be functional and working as it was intended to be used. And what you'll find is you get a happier tenant that will stay longer in the property if you maintain the property. If they find you're not maintaining the property, then they probably won't renew the lease, which will cost you more money in the long run.
Great. Thanks, Lenny. Thanks for joining us today. Hopefully you found this helpful, and best of luck on your landlord journey.